Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your currency on the Kiwi.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the profile button down below that can be found in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the app preferences section and click on currency in the customization section. So here you can find a bunch of options as you scroll down, but you can also make it easier by typing in your currency into the search bar and tap on the relevant one, and as you can see it has been changed automatically, so you are going to see all of the relevant prices in your preferred currency. You can change it anytime by coming back to this section and just tapping on the relevant one. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.